Hello, and welcome to our channel where we explore the world of Odoo. Today we'll be doing an exercise by putting everything we've learned so far to modify built-in Odoo's module. For this exercise, let's create a hypothetical situation where we need to display a quick summary of sales quotations. It needs to be on the sales quotation list view, and users need to be able to select only some of the quotations. Also, it needs to display the order number, the customer name, total amount, number of products of the selected quotations, and the total quantity of the products. While the scenario might not really make sense to do it in the real world, the techniques to achieve this can be useful when processing multiple records on any list view in Odoo. This time, we'll explore 3 methods to achieve this functionality. Let's get started. The first method is to extend the list controller of the quotation list view. We do this by setting JS class attribute of the current list component to our own view. For this purpose, we only need to override the controller. Everything else is taken from the current list view. In our new controller, we add a new button to display a custom dialog box which display the information of selected quotations. To get the information of the selected quotations, we add a method to the sale order model on the server side. And we call this method by using domain filter, which is constructed from the current record selection. The result is then passed to the dialog component, which in turn display the information in a table. For the second method, we're going to use a wizard and a custom field widget. Similar with the first method, we also need to create our own view. But since we've already inherited the original view with the first method, for the second method we inherit the view from the first method. This time we add the button to display our new wizard by adding the button into the list view header. The button will call action method of the sale order model, which in turn displays the wizard. For the wizard, we create a new model with a computed field, which values are the selected record IDs. On the wizard template, we use form view with a computed field and make the field to display its values with a list view. Since there isn't any built-in widget which can show summaries from one too many fields, we need to create our own field widget. Similar with other UI components in Odoo, field widgets are also OWL components. Field widgets require some props, which we can copy from standard field props. For our widget, we also add options props, which will give the widget information on how the value of the widget is displayed. The options are the method for summarizing the selected child field, the name of the child field, and the format to be used to display the summary. With this options, we then use the read group method of the sale order line, which will result the information we want. For the third method, instead of creating our own field widget, we simply create a new model with all the fields we want to display. We query and calculate the values upon the creation of the wizard and assign resulting values to the new model. And similar with the second method, we show the wizard using a button which we add to our new view. And there you have it, 3 methods to process and display information from records selected on list views. Although these methods provide similar results, each method can be useful for different purposes. For example, if you need to display complex visualization like mini chart or sparklines, perhaps the first or the second methods are more suitable. On the other hand, to display values in a common layout which already covered by the Odoo built-in views, the third methods might be the best choice. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video. Also, subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on my experiments and tutorials.